welcome back to Food Friday. I'm Janna, I'm the dietitian here at the Stram Center. So today we'll be making a salmon salad. This is a really simple recipe. You're basically replacing the mayo that is used in a traditional chicken or seafood salad with mashed avocado. Genius! So for anybody who is on a gluten-free or dairy-free diet, maybe you avoid eggs, this is a great recipe for you. If you're a patient here, you probably see this on your treatment plan under the sample menu that I give. It's one that I recommend regularly, so now we get to see how it's made. You want to be mindful of the quality of your fish, because we do know that we can get lots of different metals in our fish. We will link a resource for the best sources of how to get your fish. All right, so we've got our salmon and we just drained that. And then we're going to take our avocado. Fun fact, when you slice an avocado and you're not gonna eat the whole thing, just keep the pit in your saved half and that keeps it fresh longer. Now we're gonna add a little zhuzh and we're adding some chopped green onions. And then we're gonna add a little squeeze of lemon. I like to squeeze it this way over my hand so that I don't get any of the seeds in.